Okay, graphing 2, 3, slope-intercept form. You should know how to do this already. We're going to go through this pretty quick. Okay, give the equation of a line with a known slope and y-intercept. Okay, here's the form. Y equals mx plus b. M is your slope. Okay, the number in front of the x is the slope. Your slope does not include x. If there is no x, then the line has a slope and is a vertical line. X equals whatever. Okay? Slope is always written in improper or proper form. You know, the numerator tells us the rise, up or down, and we always go to the right, which we know. B, the y-intercept, where the line intersects the y-axis. Use this number given, located on the y-axis, and place a point there. If there is no y-intercept, then the point will go at the origin. Remember that. Like this. If I have y equals 2/5 x, you start at the origin. Remember, the origin is, in this case, we would do 1, 2 over 5. Okay? We can write the rest down later. No? I'll come back to it. There, look, I got a little creative there on my PowerPoint. Okay? I want to graph y equals 2/3 x minus 1. The first thing we do is we locate the y-intercept. That's -1. Okay? So we go down here to -1 and we put a dot at -1. Okay? Second thing we do is we use the slope to locate the next point. Again, our slope is 2/3. Okay? 2/3. The top number is up or down, always to the right. Okay? Right? So from our y-intercept, our rise is +2, so we go up 2, 1, 2. That's what this represents. Once we're there, we do not put a point there. We just go over 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we connect the two dots with a line. The last thing we should do is what? Label it. Y equals 2/3 x minus 1. Okay? So in your notes, you don't need graph paper for this. I just want to make sure. Go ahead and graph y equals -1/3 x plus 2. Okay, I added a little graph paper out here to make this a little bit better. Again, the first thing I do is I locate my y-intercept. That's at 2. I put a dot. Okay, or a point. Sorry, not a dot. That's discrete geometry. My slope, it's a negative. That means up or down. I go down 1, always to the right. And I put a line in. Okay, now we label it. And that is how we graph. Sometimes they're not in this form, so you have to put them into that form. Oh, I guess I did have one there. Okay, for example, that is not in slope-intercept form. Okay, 3x plus 4 equals 12. We need it to be in this form. And I just showed you the steps that I went through. Okay? Granted, I know everyone in this room can do this, but I'm also teaching 9th graders this too. So bear with me. First thing we do is we subtract 3x from both sides. Remember, put the x right after the equal sign because we want it in this form. So now I'm left with 4y equals -3x plus 12. Now I divide everything by 4. All of these have to be divided by 4. And now we can graph that. Right? In this case, we would go up to 3, 1, 2, 3, put a dot. Go down 3, 1, 2, 3, over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we would label it. Everyone good on that? Okay, that's all I really have for you. This should be a review. Tomorrow we'll do something new. Okay? So all I want you to do is the section 3 worksheet. There's enough time that you probably should be able to finish it while you're sitting in here.